Hello. Yeah, this one's working out pretty good here. Some retracement going on. .45 sitting right there. That should act as support now. See that? And the 45 broke away from the 2 hour. Dude, that was there was a read. That's when the retest came and then the shot straight back up. We need to go back test that. We need to look. And when that happens every single time, what happens after that?
Here, I'm running 2 hours on mine. I'll just add a 45 real quick.
Because if you see the midline busted out from it, you got your retracement turned into an order block and then it was gone. And look at the momentum now. That happens a lot, like more than half the time. I want to know. I'm going to turn that into a bot. Because I figured out how to code in checks for pullbacks and shit. So I can do that.
I'm in that 902 too, right before that big push.
Hey, Martin,
Yes.
you want to see what this exact trade looks like with some actual oomph behind it, position size?
Sure.
Okay. Here's say, how much is that building you got worth?
It's up for sale right now for 2 million. But I'd say, what is it actually worth? Maybe 1.8, 1.9.
Oh, that's 200,000. That position size. Hold on, I think that's what it would be. So, hold on, let me go back. Here's a 2 million. I think this would be $2 million position. So the take profit is going to end up being 1.75 million.
Holy shit.
So if I had some girth behind this, that's about what it would be.
What do you need for that? Like, how many contracts are you wielding? What do you got for that?
That was 2,000 contracts. I
Okay.
think that's $2 million.
That's fucking
This is
crazy.
going to keep going, but um,
Took my
I
entire
just
life savings to get a down payment on that building. If you're like, here you go, you can make this in 10 minutes.
yeah. Yeah, you should have went to a prep school, man. They would have taught you.
True.
I didn't go to prep school either, so
Do y'all ever be like, okay, well, I know you do cowboy on NQ, but as far as like ES, is it like we're gonna hold for the gusto, or is it okay
that
now?
that's why I got into this ES trade because I saw an RTS happening. Remember, I
Hmm.
was showing that
Yeah.
yesterday,
Mhm.
and so this one's easier to hold because their stop loss can be in a safe spot without losing your whole freaking account, right?
Right.
Just because of the way ES is valued. Now NQ, this would be like
Yeah, right.
like a $1,000 or $2,000 stop loss, with one contract. But no, this right here is a couple $100. We're risking a couple $100 to make 900.
Okay. Yeah, I have 6 MES. I got the MES on, but um I just wonder because the retracement is what I guess messes with my mentals a little bit, but I'm just sitting on my hands. I'm just waiting on y'all's
So
call. So
so so
yeah.
to get away from that psychological effect,
Mhm.
when you're trading like this and we're not scalping, you need to think point A to point B.
Okay.
Everything else in between doesn't matter. Point A to point B is what matters. So we see a reversal and we go, where is price going to? That's why you get into that supply and demand stuff. Here is the supply chain
Mhm.
right here.
Right.
So there's point A, reversal, finding the entry on the reversal, point B. I'm sorry. Point A, finding the reversal, point B,
Mhm.
reversal. And then everything in between, whatever.
Okay.
Walk away. You're either going to win or lose.
Right.
Just walk away from it. Don't even look at it.
And so you all still have your stop loss on the 6, I
Yep.
mean on the
And
40?
I'm not moving my stop loss.
Okay, and that's on 40.
Yep.
Okay.
Back down to my entry. And it just rejected
Mhm.
that 45. Let's just keep rejecting. You gotta reject that zone right there. Awesome. It could come back down into this order block right here. But I don't know. That was a pretty big momentum's rejection. So might no point A to point B.
Can I set an alert so it'll notify me when this 45 crosses through the 2 hour?
Yes.
Think you should check that out. I sent you a couple pictures.
Hmm. Yeah. So it crosses. You get a pull back and then it goes.
Yep, use your 2 hours, your stop loss.
That's nice. That's real nice.
And with the ES, you can put your stop loss where you actually need to put it.
Yeah. Like right now, it's retracing again. didn't take this high in its retracing. That's kind of worrisome. Oh, it retests the 2 hour. Stays below the 45 and retests the 2 hour. Is that what that is? Is your which one's which on your screen?
Yellow is 2 hour. 45 is
Yeah,
red.
so look, it's respecting the 45 while retesting the 2 hour at the same time
Mm-hmm.
after the break. That's big. That's
I would have to
monumental.
swap this over to actual candles to see the difference, but
That's a huge discovery, bro. That is fucking huge. How many times a day does that happen? You only need it to happen once a day.
So yesterday at 10:29, the 45 crossed. At 11 o'clock, you got your retest, but it actually went below the 45, but it respected the 2 hour. You got a 40 tick move, which is $500. See.
Now, Sabrina, if I saw this doing some stuff where I thought it was going to turn around and just drop, I wouldn't wait for it to hit my stop loss. I would literally just close.
Yeah, yeah, and I think that's the thing because I was like, oh, okay, because it was up to like 150, and then it came all the way back down. I'd be like, oh my god.
Yeah,
I'm like, oh my god.
just remember
But
the market moves in waves.
yeah.
Wave, it'll wave around. The straight line breaks. Those are
Hmm.
those are the
Right, right. Yeah. But it's not as chaotic as Nasty Nas. It
Remember
is a
that
little.
terminology I use.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember. Mhm.
NQ's like that ex-wife you always want to get with, but she ain't good for you.
So now, when you all say, okay, the 45 respecting the 2 hour or the 2 hour respecting the 45, so you just have two of the indicators on there. One of them set to 45 and one of them set to
right.
the 120.
Yep.
Now, but on the scalping or intraday, or is one intraday and one scalping?
My session. Well, he's using the 2 hour and then the 45. So those are both the scalping sessions. I'm
Scalping.
using
Okay, that's
the
what
session more than I use the 2 hour.
Mm.
I'm starting to
Oh,
really
okay.
like that 2 hour zone. And
Mhm.
you know what
Okay.
will really help you a lot on the psychology on trades like this? Let me show you something.
Mhm.
Let me go back to my trading view here. Put an anchored view up on the low.
Okay. Let's see.
We're not getting anywhere near it. It's not dropping below it. Like,
Mhm.
you know what I mean? Like we're good.
Right.
Um, and then here's your new low. This was your grab, so you could put another one right here on this low, and look it. See how it's
How it
supporting.
stays up.
It's supporting.
Mhm.
Yep.
Right.
And these right here, when you see these drop down like this and below it, hold on a second. When you see price drop down below an anchored VWAP like that,
Mhm.
that's a really good time to buy in again or get into a trade.
Okay.
Here we are with this right here. This is the bullshit that goes on. There's my theories.
Okay. So,
But yeah, it's respecting the 45 so far. Did bust all the way through it and wick it. Now the 2 hours down. Let's see what's that. The same. And honestly, I could see it sweeping this low again right here. This new low that it just made. Because it hasn't swept any lows yet. Where it's going to go pushing. I could see it come sweep this low.
Just be careful. That low is session low too for your orb.
This one right here.
The last low it just made.
Talking about this right here.
Yep,
It's not session.
that's your orb low.
Oh yeah, it is.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. That's what I'm gonna see. That's good right there. Although I don't have volume on this thing. I'm gonna see some volume here.
You're respecting the 27 there also from
hell did I
the
just
low
click?
to right
Oh,
now on the fan fib.
got this stupid news thing over this one candle. I want to see this volume. This is the one I want to see. Is this? It's got this. There we go. I can see it now. Good morning, fish bait. That's funny. His name is fish bait.
As long as Cowboy agrees, bottom of the 45 is at 647. You guys want to be extra safe?
I don't know. I think it's gonna sweep that low, man.
Okay.
There's no orders for it to push.
Yeah.
It's got to sweep some low, and this is the next one. We have our order block read here. But it hasn't closed over this midline, so on the 45, not yet. It's respecting the midline. See that? See if it keeps doing it. Good. It is respecting the midline. If it keeps doing that, that would be really, really nice. You know what I'm saying? Someone's messaging somewhere. Oh,
Sent you a picture.
yeah. Hell yeah. Look at that. That too. That's good. This thing's going straight the fuck up. Gotta love it when a plane comes together. I'm about to hit my consistency goal here. Like this breaks up over this orb. I'm just gonna close it. I won't even be able to take the full trade. And I had an $800 loss this morning.
Awesome.
What's that?
I said that's awesome. Hey, good morning.
Pay attention to this one. Come on, Mister. She push. There it goes. I think it's about to break the trend right here. This is so fun. think that's why I like scalping, because I'm like, yeah, this is like, there's the trend break.
There it goes. Okay.
Come on, don't you do that. You just keep pushing. Get this over with. No, no. Yay. Yay. That's a good sign right there. The bull flag, bull flags are paying. Come on. Eric, are you in this trade?
Oh, I don't know if he ever came back
Not.
yet.
I'm
Oh,
not.
you did. Oh, okay.
I'm not. No, I came back. I set up the other bot or whatever. How'd you guys do in the
Mhm.
morning?
The breakout one, not so good, and then the conservative one that we keep calling conservative fucking killed it, man. Look at one,
Of course,
two,
that was the one I didn't have
three.
set up. Oh,
Yeah, that's the one I did not set up yet.
This
That's
one,
okay though.
it
I
won
get it.
four. It won four in a row, man.
Mhm.
Beautiful.
Big full
I'm so
Yeah.
minis
happy for you guys. It's awesome.
running minis. Go.
The I had the I guess the little engine right now that's running for me. I'll set up maybe the conservative one in a minute or whatever, but
This one's
yeah, I
pretty. It's
had my
not
parents
bad.
call me and I've been just dealing with some personal wild stuff this morning. That's all. Yeah. You don't leave your cell phone
Here
on
it
a
goes.
cruise
Look at
ship.
this.
You left your cell phone?
No, not my phone. My parents went on a cruise and my mother left her phone on the
All
ship
right.
and then
Well,
was already at the
I'm
airport and I was
closing
supposed
the
to find the
trade
phone.
because I'm over my
Oh.
consistency. But there it goes. So I hit consistency goals. Chris, you're up 500 right now.
Oh, look at that. Wish I was in on that one. Yeah. It's good.
I wish this
Actually,
thing was copy traded.
I
Shoot.
know we need to get all that going.
Mhm.
I mean, it's ready. It's ready. But no one's really been like, "Hey, do it."
So is that take profit 2 that you guys just hit right there?
No, that's our orb. This is take profit 1, right? Well, take profit 1 is 66. Take profit 2 is 692. We weren't scalping this. This was a very thought out trade entry and exit.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool.
We're
I
doing
missed
that.
it. Sorry about that.
Remember that RTS stuff I was showing you yesterday, the return of supplies and
Yep.
all that? That's what
Yep.
this is.
Yep.
This is the final leg of one going on right now. That and
Yeah. Well, I had Replicanto set on the MNQ. So I have one.
But yeah,
One account, one amount.
I hit my consistency goal of $1,000, so I am
Nice.
out. I closed it. Um, it's still running now. It's gonna hit. It's gonna go up and smack that up there for sure. Horny 17. How does it work? Um, what do you mean? How does it work? Like you want to know how my bot makes trades, or you want to know how you auto trade stuff? I'm not gonna tell you my secrets on how the bot works, but if you're asking how to make it actually trade so you can make money, like how to set it up, I can answer that. Can't tell you how it works though. I'm sorry. That's like that's like being a welder and then going and buying a robot welder for your boss to say, "Here you go," and like just getting yourself out of a job. I don't tell my secrets, man. Then everybody and their mama could just take it. But yeah, here's the bot right here. So this was $200. Well, my position size is maybe $200 this morning. So 200, 200. This one won 200, 200, and then this was a loss. So it was 2, 4, 6. So it'd been $600 with one contract on this bot. And then there's multiple ones. This is the breakout bot right here. And then this right here, what I'm doing right now is a manually enter trade. And it is retracing again. Back to the trend line. Yes. But it's going. And look, see Sabrina, this should give you more uh calm for psychology. You see how the 45 in the session they're stepping up.
Mm-hmm.
The other's turning into like a step. I call it a step.
Right.
That's showing you we're still pushing, right?
Okay.
Because if you look in the past, like when you see this thing stepping up, do you see a lot of come right back down through the zones?
No.
No. Now you get your retracements into end caps, but that is as far as it's pushing, it's pushing. When it pushes, it's gonna push. So this is what do I got turned on here? I can't even remember. I got the New York. I got a 120-minute zone. So this is a 2 hour with the 45-minute. That's what it says right here. And then we got a bull flag above it, and now we just broke the trend of the bull flag, right? And we're retesting it right now. So this is showing you, hey, we're good.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Is everyone about break even on their trades by now? Is everyone still running the same stop loss?
Oh, you go break even? Okay.
No,
Yeah,
I'm
I
saying,
don't know.
are you guys? Are you
No.
guys making sure?
Oh, I haven't. I haven't moved my stop loss.
I wouldn't. I wouldn't even touch it. Not yet.
Yep, just asking what everyone's looking like.
But TP, this thing's gonna run all the way to probably this right here, 692, and that would be a
Just
5 to
had a
1.
new 45 open up above another 2 hour higher, so that's good. What we're going to want to see is another push over 55.50 here.
Depending on what it does on this 45, it could retrace into it right here. It looks like it's just breaking out of it. Let's see. if you guys want the bot, this is right here. This was $800 in trade. Well, this one lost, so 600 in trades on this setting. There's 3 settings that we run. This one is 80 to 90% win rate. Right here, hold on. I know you're having a hard time seeing this. There we go. And let me fit the screen. So this setting right here is about 81% win rate with 11 profit factor. This is using one NQ. This one right here is not as conservative, but it has a high profit factor, so it wins about 52% of the time. And this one we trade on MNQ. This is one MNQ, one micro contract for this setting right here. And then we have our breakout bot that trades the 930 candle. This week has been bad. I'm not gonna lie. There's been no momentum right at the open. It's been just like blah. So this one actually lost this morning, and then I manually called scouts to get the losses back, and which we did, and now we are positive. But here is the 3 settings, just the things. So for instance, like this one right here, I'll run a deep back test. I'll do like a whole month, January. We'll do May. Here we go. Whole month of May last year. Generate report. And this one did 3,634 with a 43% win rate. With
Oh, but Cowboy.
Yeah, what's up?
Uh-oh, Cowboy.
Yeah, what's up?
Oh, so I know you had mentioned the copy trade before, and what was needed for that, but I know we've been,
It's done through Replicano. So
mm-hmm.
I just have to get some information from you from your stuff, and
Okay.
like an ID or whatever, and then I have to input it into mine as a follower. Basically,
Okay.
is how it works. And if you want, we can do that. Just the way I can modify this trade.
Absolutely. Well, no, I mean, and then the thing is, like, if you go, because you can, I guess, because my accounts aren't that big, right? So, like, I guess
Well,
if you
you
do
can
the
set up.
larger
You
contracts,
can set
yeah,
up.
just,
No, you set up the risk. You put in
oh,
like I want to trade micros or whatever and how many and etc.
okay.
So it's just like your follower accounts. Like
Mm-hmm.
you pre-allocate whatever you want.
Okay.
It's just it'll take the buys or the sells and take profits.
Right. Okay.
So this we're sitting at our egg tree again. Jesus. You're still good at just bouncing off the bouncing off the 2 hour here. See what it's gonna do. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Is it gonna hold this?
Morning.
What? All right, we got a sweep of the lows. There's our order block right here. The buyers are stepping in. These are getting wicked up. This should be the last retracement if it starts pumping up again. Should be. Yeah, look at that engulfing candle shoving up there. That's good. Good stuff. Good stuff. Look at that candle there, Sabrine. Just engulfed the living shit out of everything.
Nice.
Right back up over the trend
Back up
line.
to your trend line. Mm-hmm.
If this breaks out from this trend line, then that's at this point I would go break. Because if it slams down and run from here, then this ain't going.
Okay.
But I think it's gone. I think it's gone. I think it's gone.
Let me go back in just in case.
There it goes. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. Oh yeah. Get up in there. Get in there. What you think, Sabrine?
Let me see. Oh, good God. Okay. Look what I came back to.
Point A to point
Okay,
B.
you say go ahead and hit break even though?
I would, yeah.
Okay. Ooh, nice. That is a lovely surprise.
Just broke your orb and you're retesting right now. If you break down, it's probably coming back. So yeah, I would definitely go break even.
Oh, she's gone. Let's go. There it goes. That my print screen button just doesn't work. Look at Morton's account right here. On the VPS. Getting hooked up by the cowboy.
Looking nice.
I had to fix it for him because he did some rookie stuff. Come on, break this high and just launch right up to that TP right there.
Hello?
Yeah. Okay, this is where it gets a little.
Good, how are you?
We can hear your conversation, man.
Okay.
Listen, I server muted you so YouTube didn't hear you on the phone. Let me know when you're done and I'll mute you. This is looking so good. This is so good. Good. This is good. No, this is really good. This thing's about to be like a explosion to the upside. Hopefully.
The morning light leaks in, flickering across my screen. I sit poised and ready, daring fate to intervene. Futures dancing in my vision, crude grains and the S&P. I'm whispering to the market, show your hand to me. Patterns etched in data, I draw my line in the sand. I hunt the spark of movement, the signal I understand. When price bars break their chains, unleashing hidden might. I'm there to seize that moment, to claim the golden light. I'm the breakout hunter, forging trades with iron nerve.
That's the First Light Beacon Zone, baby. It makes all this possible. Look at this accuracy. Look at how accurate these wicks are. Oh my goodness. That was there before price was. See that right there? Look at that. Boom, 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 boom.
Turning risk into cheers. No room for faint of heart. No shelter from the storm. This battlefield of candles never fails to transform. Volatility's a language I learn it line by line, seeking that sweet release from ranges that confine.
I think I broke my print screen button. Oh, there we go.
Ready, I protect the ground I've gained. I'll never chase a phantom. Each move is preordained. My crew, the Hunters Club, knows how the story goes. We watch for shifting currents where hidden profit flows.
TP is 65.
With charts and conviction, I carve my chosen way.
Smack it.
Among the Hunters Club, I find that special bond. We move as one through markets far and yet beyond. In the hush before the rush, I feel the tension grow. I've studied all the patterns, the places price may go. And when the line is severed, the trade set free to soar. I strike with swift precision, then wait and watch for more. I'm the breakout hunter, my legacy unfolds. Through lightning trades and cunning, I mine the market's gold. Within the Hunters Club, the chase of purest thrill. Searching for that break again and powered by my skill. As trading hours fade away, I tally up my scars. A student of the scoreboard, guided by the stars. Tomorrow's futures beckon, I'll stand where profits flow. The breakout hunter returns, ever hungry to grow.
Come on. Get to the TP. Get in there. Here it is. Almost there. Come on. Oh, it's getting close. Getting close. Come on, get over there and get back. Come on, baby. Man, just go. There you go, come on, hit the TP right there. This thing just go and hit it. Already hit it. Come on.
Wake up to the morning sun, dreams in your eyes, stuck in the same old routine, reaching for the skies. Bills keep piling
Put your
up.
stop loss to 606. 6061.25. It dumps from here, it's not worth it. Just let it stop you out right there. It's either gonna drop or break right here.
Mm-hmm.
strategies, lessons every day. From the basics to the breakthroughs, guiding every way. Confidence is growing, risks you learn to take. Building up your future, every move you make. No more chains to hold you back. Unlock the doors you lack. Break out hunter shows the way. Step into the light today.
Sabrina, are you there?
Yes. Hmm.
You might want to double check the bot strategy. I have both of mine closing at the same time. I think the second one that you have there, you have it set for its 80 and then break even. But I think when you open up the break even one,
On
possibly it
the
needs to be changed to 80 and then, yeah.
okay, on the bot strategy. Hold on
Target
one
1,
second.
target 2, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let me see.
Ooh, it's about to hit TP. TP smash, baby. Boom.
Oh.
Nice.
Yes.
I didn't set up that one yet, but good for you guys. Keep going.
That was awesome. And mad.
Which one's that for that TP? You got multiple or just one?
That's
Cowboy.
TP1, but I had a consistency goal. I already hit it, so I had to close. But I think it's running to 692, 6,092.
Oh, cool.
I've worked his hands out in the sun, chasing the clock till the day is done. Sweat on my brow, dirt on my face, but I knew deep down I need a change of pace. Trading hours for dollars, it wasn't enough. Life was a grind and the work was tough, but I found a way. Learn the market's flow. With every candle my future starts to grow. I've been breaking my back, but I found the key. Trading the charts to set me free. Now I'm building a path for life that's strong. A legacy my kids will.
What settings for ES are you running on that one? Or is that just the regular guy? Not the baby bot.
What, this?
Not the engine. That's not the engine one, right? That's the other one.
I don't know who you're speaking to.
I apologize. I'm speaking to you, Cowboy.
No, this is this
one-
was a manual trade.
Oh, I didn't realize that. Cool. Awesome. Even better.
No more just working to get by. I found a way to touch the sky, teaching my kids the lessons I've gained so they can rise above the strain. I've been breaking my back, but I found the key. Trading the charts.
Boom. Nailed it.
A legacy my kids will carry on.
That was awesome.
You guys join the Hunters Club, you'll get into trades just like that. Have a good one. Breakouthunter.com, join the Hunters Club. Tap off right now. Codes on the stream, 50 off 3.
From hands in the dirt to minds that are free. I'm trading